Umunemundi Igbo, Umunemundi Enuani. Welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across any of our videos, I am pleading with you to please subscribe to our channel. If you are on Facebook, like our page, follow our page on Instagram and all other social media platforms. Today we'll be looking at a very interesting word to prove the point that Igbo, Asunonunu, the Igbo language is very tonal. And today we are going to be considering the alphabets. Chi. The way this word chi is pronounced will determine its meaning. Chi. Example, ahụmabọchị akwa aka na-abị, ahụmabọchị ji aka na-abị. Chi, toru, eze achị obodo, obi achị obodo, President Ahmed Tinubu na ndị ọchị, ya bụ chi. To close, kpọchie, gbechie, kpọchie, chi, otichie ụzọ, chi. Chie, you will see the way I drag this I to stretch itself. Chie, ochie nzu n'ishu, ochie nzu n'ishu, to rub. This is a very interesting meaning. Chi meaning day. It is from here that you have the name Chioma, Chiefue, Chiejie. The opposite of Chioma can now be Chiojo, Ajo Chiefue Noyo. Chioma, as some people mistakenly think that it means good God. No. Chioma means good day, good dawn. Chioma efue no eni. Chioma efue anyway. Chioma efue n'ezinụlọ a Okonkwo. Yakwe di mụanwa. The day that child is born is considered a good day. That is why the child is named Chioma. It doesn't mean good God. It means good day, good dawn, good fortune, things like that. The opposite of Chioma can now be Ajochi, Kobuchi Ojo, because there is no bad God. So the meaning of the word, the name Chioma is good day, good dawn, a good dawn. That's the meaning of this one. Chi to mean day. So from here you can say Chiejie, Chiefue. Chi to mean spirit. This particular meaning of the word chi is very interesting because some people have a lot of interpretations for it. In Igbo cosmology, we believe that every man has his own chi. That is why we give the name Chioye Edue. Every man has his own chi. And everything you do must be in agreement with your chi. Some people can say that chiwe mewe ma, chiwe mewe njo. Chi, every man has his own chi, but this does not rule out that we have an overall chi who is also known as Chukwu, the great spirit. Now, it is your spirit that will interact with the great spirit to yield result for you. It is your spirit that intercedes for you. you have your own personal chi. Every Igbo man has his own personal chi. In the past, this chi is represented in your Ikenga, because every man that has come of age will have his or her own Ikenga, which is usually done away with once that person is dead. Look at this one. You see, I emphasize the C. Chi. Now, I have to explain this very well, otherwise it would not mean sock. Chi Ochi, Ichi Ochi is a system we used in the past to remove bad blood. This system allows somebody to put something that looks like a piped calabash, make some incisions on that spot where the bad blood is, place the calabash on it and suck out the bad blood. Ichi Ochi. Now we have been able to make out at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I promised you that we are going to make out 10 meanings from this word chi. Let's look at another interesting meaning of the word chi. Now, chi, because we are going to stress the C, chi, while the I will be flat. Take title. Now, in some Igbo communities, we chieze echi, while in other Igbo communities, we rieze eri. These are two different meanings. Irieze means that person has been already a crown prince, has already been known as a crown prince. So in these communities where we have this sort of primogeniture, when it is time for the person to take the title, you will not say that the person is Chie Eze. He did not take the title. Maneno Eze. The person is now coronated. Are we in order? Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, Ichieze is for places where you have to struggle and then win that title of kingship or chieftaincy. Then you take it. So this is another meaning of the word chi, to take a title. It can be the title of kingship. It can be the title of chieftaincy. But that's like the 8th meaning of the word chi. Now I'm going to give you, my viewers, an opportunity to be part of today's discussion of the meaning of the word chi. Meaning of this Igbo word chi. C-H-I. Chi. Chi. Chi and I. Chi. I. Chi. I. Please let us know the meaning of the word chi. I in your own Igbo dialect. Let's see your comments in the comment section, because we are going to now have ofu, abua, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, iteneni, yana nkiri. We have akala ajụjụ and akala ajụjụ. You are the mezuzie. Ama in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's class. It's been a while since we did such teaching. So what I'm going to have you do is this. Please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for engaging with our videos. Thank you for sharing and commenting. See you in our next video. God bless you.